Hello there and welcome to my channel. Today we shall be doing homemade ice cream with just 2 ingredients. So I have here 300 grams of whipping cream and 150 grams of condensed milk. So we will be pouring our ingredients into our mixer. Whatever mixer you have is fine, a hand mixer or a stand mixer, but I'm using my hand mixer to make this because it's not really much. This is actually my leftover whipping cream that I had from decorating a cake. So because I don't want it lying around, I have decided to turn it into an ice cream. Okay, so you can do that. So I'm just going to be adding vanilla flavor to it because after all we are making a vanilla ice cream. So I've added just a teaspoon of vanilla ice cream, and then I'll be whipping up my whipping cream until it is a bit firm. Alright, while we are whipping our cream, if this is your first time on my channel, I would like you to look below and press the subscribe button if you have not already done that. Also, do not forget to press the notification bell so that you know when we post the awesome videos like this. We are all about cake decoration and wafer paper art decoration. Also, you can help us to like, comment and share our videos with your friends. There's love in sharing. Thank you so much for always being there for us. So it's time to incorporate our condensed milk now to our whipped cream. So I'm almost done mixing my cream. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be turning it into the bowl, but I'm going to be leaving out some. Okay, the white colored cream is going to be the vanilla, and then I'm going to be introducing some pink color and strawberry flavor to the remaining part, and that part will be my strawberry ice cream. So I'll be popping this into my freezer now for about 2 to 3 hours if my children will let it be there for that long, and then we'll come back and we will eat our ice cream. It's finally time to eat our ice cream. Our ice cream is ready, and I tell you, this is super delicious. Okay, have you watched our video on how to make a perfect and super moist vanilla cupcake? This will go so well with it. You should try it. It goes so well together. The ice cream and the cupcake is such a heavenly combination. You should try it. I tell you, you won't regret it. So quickly go and watch that video now and do this together this weekend, this Easter weekend, and you will see what I mean. Thank you for watching.